Are you tired of procrastination? Are you tired of delaying your tasks? You should try making a planned week to overcome the habit of procrastination. Most of the time people delay important tasks because of laziness and sluggishness. Planning a week helps you remain organized and managed. It helps you to remain oriented toward your tasks. Since delaying things has become extremely common, so it is better to practice planning a day. When things are organized, they become easy to handle. Tangled things seem difficult to handle, and that's why we often tend to delay them, because from the external view they seem tangled. Because of the fear of being entangled, we tend to avoid such tasks for as long as possible. Procrastination can be overcome by building routines. A routine is a set of good habits that are being followed every day. We should be able to distinguish between good habits and bad habits. A habit once built remains instilled in a person's head for a long time. For example, if a kid is used to taking a longer path to school every day, then about after 3 to 4 days, he starts taking that longer path without even realizing it. Such unconscious things become imprinted and saved in the part of our brain. Some research done by MIT has shown that this finding is correct. Some advantages of planning a week are: it saves your energy. It clears your thoughts. Makes your goals clear. You become always prepared to handle certain situations. It improves your focus and attention. Makes you stronger in your decisions. Helps you manage time. We can start by building a routine. Do we tend to snooze our daily morning alarm? The answer to this question is yes. Most people have this habit of snoozing alarms. Instead of snoozing in the morning, alarms get up from bed and make some healthy habits of exercise, meditation, and making a healthy breakfast. These healthy habits will become slowly instilled into your brain. Realizing what you are going to achieve. Acknowledging your goals is an important part of planning a week. Acknowledge what you want to achieve. Do you want to spend more time with your loved one? Or do you want to do a specific important task? Do you want to organize an important business meeting with colleagues? Firstly, become aware of what you want to achieve. And then make a to-do list. Now the point arises that you have 10 important tasks. How would you know which task has to be done first? There comes prioritization. Prioritize your tasks. The task that is extremely important and is going to provide you with benefits shall have to be done first. Deadlines of the tasks can be taken into account as well. Once your goals become aligned, it becomes easier for you to achieve them. You must assign yourself tasks, not on the exact morning, but on the previous evening. You can wake up with a calmer head with no stress and anxiety at all. The time focus technique is needed these days, because a human brain cannot focus on one thing for a very long time. For example, if you expect me to sit in front of a computer and work for straight 4 hours, then I won't be able to fulfill the task efficiently. I will be sitting in front of the computer, but my thoughts would be to go outside and have some fun. This problem can be overcome by doing your tasks in short intervals. Doing a task with multiple breaks is done in no time and keeps you motivated. It simultaneously increases your efficiency for the task. Eliminating distractions while doing a task helps you do the task faster. For example, the biggest distraction these days is a mobile phone. Phones won't let us stay focused and attentive toward our tasks. They tend to keep us distracted. With mobile phones, we cannot work properly. They tend to remove our attention. It is better to switch them off, so that you can work easily. It is advisable to make a to-do list before performing your task. Helps you keep the motivation up and makes you organized. In the end, it is important to do a reflection. It is important to acknowledge whether you have achieved your desired accomplishments or not. Are you satisfied? It is important to have the answers to these questions.